I remember when the first time I wanted to learn how to draw, I was always told that I had to learn only from real life. But at the beginning, that was boring to me because it wasn't what I wanted to draw. And it made me be inconsistent at drawing. Then I thought, why I don't just draw from the art that I like the most? I wasn't only just copying and learning from the artist, I was drawing whatever I loved to draw. I was having fun. That feeling made me want to keep drawing every single day. And something interesting is that by doing this, I was subconsciously improving my observation skills, because I was comparing my artwork and trying always to see what else I could improve to make it look similar, but not equal. And that's how my passion and motivation started and was kept alive. Later on, without noticing it, it became discipline. Everything else came in with time. For me, it all began with the curiosity and finding what I love to draw to stay consistent. Once the curiosity to learn more was lighted up, I wanted to start searching for more knowledge. In most of things, the most difficult part to do is just being consistent and creating the routine of just doing it. So let's not worry too much about which are the best techniques, books, tutorials, or what style to approach at the beginning. Find what you love to draw first.